Hello Glam fam, we are Anjali and Rasha, the Glam duo, and we are so excited to welcome you to our YouTube channel. This is our very first video and we thought what better way to start than with something that we both love, skincare. Today we are sharing our morning skincare routine together, and no, we don't live together. Though we wish we did, but here we are connecting with you through this video. And we have been wanting to do this for so long, and now that we are finally doing it, we are so happy to be here. Even more happy that you guys are here with us. We've shared a few contents on Instagram and would love to know how you think it's going. Let us know if there's something that we can do better. We know it's too early to ask, but what's the harm in trying to be better really quick, right? This video might not be perfect, and that's totally okay. There's no filter here, just us doing what we love the most. Since it's the beginning of our journey, you might expect perfection, but we really want to share is the real us. We'll be bringing you lots of ideas on skincare, makeup, and even some fashion tips along the way. We want to share why skincare means so much to us. It's not just about looking good, it's about taking care of yourself every day. We believe that your skincare routine should be a time for self-love and a moment to unwind. Also, skincare is so personal. What works for one person might not work for another. Taking those few minutes every morning to cleanse, hydrate, and protect our skin helps us set the tone for everything else. It's like giving yourself a little boost of confidence before you step out into the world. We also want to emphasize that skincare isn't about perfection or having the flawless skin. It's about consistency and loving yourself through every step of the process. Learning and growing with you, expect some fun experiments, honest reviews, and maybe a few skincare fails along the way. Because that's real life. Your support means the world and it motivates us to create better content each day. So let's enjoy the journey together. If you enjoyed this video and like what we are about, please give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. We have also mentioned all the products we used today in the caption so you can easily check them out. Stay tuned and join us as we grow together on this glam journey. We promise you won't be disappointed. Let's get started. Bye bye.